Chance helical tieback anchors provide lateral support for many retaining wall applications. A helical tieback anchor is installed by rotating or screwing it into the ground. Each helical bearing plate is formed into a screw thread with a uniform defined pitch, ensuring minimal soil disturbance. Here, Chance helical tieback anchors are being used to add additional lateral capacity to a sheet pile retaining wall, stabilizing the bank on the edge of a lake in a residential application. Structural retaining walls use soldier piles with wood lagging, sheet piles, or structural diaphragm walls to resist lateral earth pressures from retained soil. Chance helical tieback anchors are engineered steel anchor elements consisting of a central steel shaft and one or more helical-shaped bearing plates. Tieback anchors are installed until the helical plates are located well beyond the wall face deep into load-bearing soil, and then attached to the retaining wall via a thread bar, bearing plate, and nut. Engineers can design a tieback anchor configuration by inputting site soil data into Helicap version 3.0 helical capacity design software and validate the design using torque values recorded during the installation, resulting in a proven engineered system with predictable and verified capacity. Applications for Chance helical tieback anchors include permanent and temporary sheet pile walls, bulkheads for marine applications, concrete reinforced walls, and precast concrete panel walls. Helical tiebacks can be used both to remediate falling walls and reinforce new walls. To learn more, visit chancefoundationsolutions.com or call 855-477-2121 to find your local distributor.